Alright guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. The last one I made was a huge success, gained a lot of traction, got me a couple followers, and I started off a Patreon page, and thanks to my Patreon subscribers for supporting the page, and because of them, I am able to make another unboxing video. So I have 3 packages. I have a regular one, and then I have a 3-pack with 1 extra bonus card, and then I have this loot box, I guess you could say. So let's get this show on the road. So let's start off with this one. So let's see, here we go, another great picture. See if I remember this right. So what, 3 from the back or 4 in the back? Alright, so for that 20 lucky viewers instead, first one goes. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4 on the fronts. Take out the energy. Oh, I guess not. Alright, the energy card is right here. So we got Gloom, Haunter, Cleffa, Gligar, what's called Spurtsy, Doduo, Rhyhorn, Meltan, and Litten. Alright, so there was that booster pack. It's time for this bad boy. Anyways, once again, thanks to my Patreon subscribers for helping support the page, and because of that I'm able to make more quality content for you guys. So if you guys are interested in becoming a Patreon subscriber, the link is in the description. So here's the first one, Sun and Moon Guardian Rising. Yes, Guardians Rising. So let's see, hopefully I don't get this one wrong. I'm just used to the 3, yes. So like I said, first one goes. Alright, 1, 2, 3 in the front. Energy card, let's go. Alright, so we got Sableye, Gorthorita, I don't care, Field Blower, Vanillite, Clefairy, Rockruff, Barboach, Alolan Geodude, my bad, and then Clefable and oh, Sylveon. Look at this. Ooh, freaking beautiful ass fairy Pokemon. Alright, I'm keeping this right here, or I guess not, I can just keep it right here. Alright, time for pack. Actually, you know what? Let me show you the Pokemon card here. There's 2. This one came with the code, so here is the code for that. And then here's the one I got. A Turtonator. I think that's how it's spelled. Anyways, don't judge me for the pronunciation. I haven't played Pokemon. I haven't kept up with Pokemon. So, here we go. Anyways, it's not 12 a.m. like last time, so I can be a little louder this time. Alright, so here is the code for that lucky viewer. Alright, 1, 2, 3 in the front, 1 in the back. Alright, so we got Machoke. Oh, let me fix that quality. Machoke, Altar of the Moon, Choice Bands, Alolan Sandshrew. Take a look at that, boys. Cottony, Bellsprout, another Gligar, another Alolan Geodude, Blissey, and Victini. Geodude got the same eyebrows as a certain someone I know. So that last one, Sun and Moon with an Alolan Vulpix in the front. You know, my girlfriend was playing Pokemon Go, and she said she caught an Alolan Vulpix, so shout outs to her. Alright, another code. 1, 2, 3. 3 in the front. If I can get this to fit. Alright, water. Alright. Tentacruel, Energy Recycler, Mallow, I think, Patrat, Litwick, Pancham, Snorunt, Castform, oh, Alolan Vulpix. Guess I'm not the only, or I guess she's not the only one that got one. Oricorio, more like I don't cario. Alright, it's time for this bad boy. As you can see, I got a Latios in the front. Now, I am sorry if I take a while to open this. I am not used to opening these kinds of wrappers, so maybe I'll make an edit here, maybe not. You know what? I'll let you guys bear with me. There we are. This is no edits, no edit game. You gotta do this all in one take. Damn it, bro. Oh no, I said a bad word. I'm getting demonetized. Hey, you know what? I don't care. Subscribe to me on Patreon. Alright, there we are. Alolan. Or not Alolan. Freaking Latios. Gotta love my Latinos and Latinas out there. Latino Lunis. Here's a code for you, Mr. Lucky One. And look at this. Dang, that is very pretty. Just like my girlfriend. Alright. I think this one comes with 4 booster packs. So I got it at Target for like 20 bucks. So here we are, the code, special code again. Sorry, I'm like covering the shitty ass lighting I have in my room. Alright. Nidoran, Vulpix, Sandshrew, Ponyta, Magnemite, oh, Nidoking. And then look at this motherfucking mother effing Ivysaur. Such a pretty boy. Or girl, cause you know some Pokemon can be women's. Oh man. Like I said, subscribe to me on Patreon. It really helps support the page, and I can make more quality content for you guys. If I can get this to open. Alright. So, code right there. See, 1, 2, 3. I wonder if this one still works like that. Oh, I guess not. Alright. Trainer card. Charizard, Spirit Link, Charmeleon, and Energy. So, what, like 2 in the front? Alright, cool. Or is it 1? Yeah. I don't know. Anyways, Charmander, Energy, a Pikachu, Pikachu, Growlithe, Growly, Machop, and Clefairy with Raticate. Gotta keep this right here. You know, I bought a Clefable one time on the internet, and turns out it was in another language. I was very disappointed, but it made me laugh. Anyways, I don't know if you guys can hear that loud noise, but that's my brother playing in the background. So here is the code. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Should I even bother? Maybe. I almost spoiled the surprise, guys. Alright, anyways. Wigglytuff, Napping Wigglytuff, Lass's Special, Omanite, Diglett, Snivy, Coughing, Larvitar, Bird Lullaby, Devolution Spray, more like I don't care spray, and then Diancie EX. I don't know how much these cards are actually worth. I just look them up online after I'm done. So this is the last one for the day. So like I said before, subscribe to my Patreon if you want to see more unboxing videos, because right now I am working my ass off and spending my own money, which, just kidding, I don't care about that. I just make quality for you guys to enjoy. Those 50 people out there who wants to enjoy my videos. Anyways, here's the code. Alright, you know, I'm not gonna try this time. Alright, we have Seedot, Clauncher, Bergmite, Chimchar, Yanma, Hoppip holographic, I think, Gastrodon, Fletchinder, Skiploom, and I guess that's it. And they made this box bigger than it should be, because it's a pretty empty box. Anyways, so I'm just gonna throw these in here and keep them in a safe place while I go enjoy the rest of my night. Anyways, guys, so thanks to you guys for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Shout outs to Manny and my boy Sean, keeping it real since day one. Anyways, see you guys later.